Hey, what up, G fam? So you guys are looking to get into niche fragrances and don't know where to start? Well, look no further, because your boy got you. In today's video, I'll be going over my top 5 fragrances that is good in every situation. These fragrances are long-lasting, mass-appealing, and compliment-getting fragrances. If they sound interesting to you, get comfortable and let's dive right in. So we're gonna start this list strong. Coming at number 5, we got REHAB. Now this fragrance right here, if you're looking for compliment, you're looking for attention, you're looking for anything in between, this fragrance is not gonna let you down. Inviting, warm, and cozy, Netflix chill night, this fragrance got you. Cause after whoever you with by the end of the night, the next day, they're gonna need some REHAB. So coming in at number 4, we got your boy, MUSC RAVAGEUR. Now this fragrance, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this fragrance is sex in a bottle. Warm, spicy, vanilla, powdery, cinnamon. Can you ask for more? If you're looking for a penny dropper, look no further, cause MUSC RAVAGEUR got you. So coming in at number 5, the beast has awoken. You got Parfum de Mali, PEGASUS. This fragrance is a nice almond, powdery, vanilla fragrance, and it is sexy. You're looking for compliment, it's gonna get it done. Looking that it's something easy to wear for a classy individual, check this fragrance out by Parfum de Mali, PEGASUS. So coming in at number 2 is no other than the Creed Ventus Killer by NISHANE HACIVAT. Now if you used to like Creed Ventus, take that, throw it out, cause that fragrance don't last anymore. And we're looking for something that is long lasting, projecting beast, and does everything else better than a Ventus, look no further, my mans. Cause the reputation from Creed Ventus speak for itself. So just imagine what NISHANE HACIVAT can do for you. So coming in at number 1, and I'm not trying to be biased, but it's hard. Cause this fragrance is just beast at compliment. By the house of XERJOFF, we got NAXOS. This fragrance is just completely a complimenting beast. Longevity is there, projection is there, mass appealing is there. If you don't believe me, yo, listen to your boy, cause you're not gonna be disappointed. Check this fragrance out by NAXOS. So there you have it, my top 5 fragrances for newly beginners who's trying to get into niche fragrances. All these fragrances are long-lasting, mass-appealing, and compliment-getting fragrances. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon as it helps support this channel. Thank you for your time and see you later. Peace!